Hey, everybody! Welcome back to HollyFollyTV. It's your host, Holly. Today we're going to be talking about Cardi B and Tasha K. Have you heard the news? Tasha K has lost her countersuit to Cardi B's lawsuit against her. The judge tossed it in the trash. No, ma'am, you will not be getting $3 million of Cardi B's money. Zit. Zilt. Zero. Yes, Radar Online reported that the judge dismissed Tasha K's counterclaim and that she has not been able to prove any of the things she was saying Cardi B did to her. Cardi B's lawsuit is still moving forward and will be going to trial. If you all remember, Cardi B sued Tasha K for defamation, and she countersued claiming all kinds of things that we kind of knew were lies because we've been watching the situation unfold. She claims Cardi B sent gang members to threaten her, but the judge determined that's a lie. She said Cardi B caused her emotional distress during her pregnancy. The judge determined that also is a lie. Y'all, Tasha K was suing Cardi B for $3 million. $3 million. And the judge basically said, girl, do you really think I'm going to award you $3 million over a situation that you started? So yeah, Tasha K will not be getting any of Cardi B's money because her counterclaim could not hold up in court. Now, if Cardi B wins this lawsuit, which she has some solid points, then Tasha K may not only lose revenue from those allegedly defamatory videos, but she may also have to repay Cardi B for her lawyer fees, which I can imagine is a lot. The Radar Online article said that the judge was presented with video evidence of Cardi B admitting to using drugs and being a former prostitute. And if this is true, and Cardi B actually said those words, then she may very well lose that part of the case. But the claim about her having herpes, she already submitted her STD test proving that was a lie. So with that being a major part of her claim, it's highly possible that Cardi B will win that part against Tasha K. Listen, y'all, I'm hearing all kinds of talking going on about how Cardi B has not been affected by the defamation, so the case should all be thrown out. I mean, I agree that Cardi has not been affected by the alleged defamation financially, because she continues to be rich, famous, and fully booked. However, we often forget that Cardi B is human like any of us. And being rich and famous does not exempt her from having feelings and being emotionally affected by things such as this. And I can imagine she was hurt, at the very least, on an emotional level. Also, Cardi didn't just sue for defamation. She sued for defamation per se, which means the statements were so offensive that she doesn't need to prove it affected her financially because it is automatically deemed defamatory by law. And very few things fall in the category of defamation per se, such as accusing someone of a crime or of unscrupulous business practices or infidelity or having a disease. Those are things that can command a guilty verdict. And yes, Tasha K checked 2 of those boxes when she claimed Cardi has herpes and was unfaithful to her husband. Those 2 things are considered so defamatory in law. Cardi does not need to prove she lost anything. She only needs to prove that Tasha K's claim is false. And that is why Cardi B's top-notch lawyers specifically advise her to sue her for defamation per se. And look, y'all, I like Tasha K. I actually do. I'm a fan of Tasha K. There, I said it, okay? And that's mainly because I've been watching her from her earlier years and love the way she was exposing fake ass people. I mean, someone needs to, right? But on this one, Tasha K got it wrong. You see, let me explain a little something about Cardi B. Cardi B is a woman who spills her own damn tea, okay? To the point of telling on herself in a way that could have really gotten her in trouble. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just check out Cardi B's old Insta lives, which some folks have scattered right here on these YouTube streets. But Cardi B speaks on things about herself that many of us wouldn't dare think about uttering, alright? So anyone looking to know anything about Cardi B, don't even have to look far. She laid it all out. So I was very, very disappointed when Tasha K went there and said those things she did about her without concrete facts. Is Cardi B a perfect human? No. Does she deserve to be dragged for something she's not guilty of? Absolutely not. If Cardi B could have Tasha K not be able to talk about her anymore and take down all the alleged defamatory videos she already has of her, that in itself would be a huge win for Cardi B, I think. Unfortunately though, there's no way Cardi B can stop Tasha K from talking about her and making videos about her because the law allows freedom of speech. But if she wins the case, then she can move forward with having the court summon Tasha K to remove those videos that are defaming her. So that's that. No money for Tasha K from Cardi B. 3 million. What? For those of you sending me emails that Tasha K is going to lose her YouTube channel, I don't foresee that happening. And frankly, I wouldn't wish that on her. I just want her to be mindful and only speak on things she has solid proof of. Calling people on their bullshit is what Tasha K does, and she does a damn good job of it. But sometimes that hype plus wine can get her caught up and adding her own truth to situations. That's playing with fire and unintentionally playing dirty. And as Nene once said, you never can win when you play dirty, honey. It's wrong. So here are my 2 lessons for Tasha K. Because I hear you making statements and swearing on your kids and all. Lesson number 1, Tasha K. When it comes to the court, you cannot swear on your kids that you will win. Yes, you did that, and that was a really dumb move. And lesson number 2, Tasha K, you might want to go easy on the wine and sip some tea, honey, when you're over there spilling all that stuff. Let this be a lesson. Not to stop spilling and doing what you do over there, I like, but a lesson to be more careful in what you put out. Now, I'm not sure Cardi will be able to get a fair trial, as there are hardly anyone in America who has not heard of her and already formed their opinion of her, whether favorable or unfavorable. But Cardi is a very controversial and sexual celebrity, diving deep into political topics and expressing herself freely and in a pretty bold way. So Cardi's case could go either way, depending on whoever those jurors are and their inherent bias they hold of her. But I do hope she gets a fair trial and be able to move forward with all this behind her. So that's it for today, y'all. Lawsuits come with the territory of talking about people for a living, blogging, vlogging, whatever. It's risky business and precaution must be taken. Let's see if Cardi B will win her case and put all this debauchery behind her, along with those alleged defamatory videos Tasha K has on her platform of her. Let me know what y'all think about this. Should the judge have allowed Tasha K's countersuit to go to trial and let a jury decide? Should the judge throw out the whole entire case? And do you think Cardi will win her case? Does she have a chance? Comment below, let me know. And don't forget to like if you liked it, share if you care, subscribe for more, and help a sister build a platform. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.